Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is our city visit series of adventures. Join me, Donnie, your travel friend, on a journey to explore the adventurous and distinctive features of Istanbul. For the ultimate visit, I will take you through places to visit in Istanbul, Turkey. Our first stop is the iconic Hagia Sophia, a testament to the grandeur of Byzantine architecture. Once a church, then a mosque, and now a museum, it's a place where history echoes through its magnificent domes and intricate mosaics. Next, we'll visit the Topkapi Palace, a resplendent royal residence of Ottoman sultans for over 4 centuries. This palace complex is a treasure trove of Islamic art, ancient relics, and stories of royal extravagance. Beneath the city's bustling streets, the Basilica Cistern awaits. This ancient underground reservoir, with its forest of columns and eerie atmosphere, offers a unique glimpse into Istanbul's past. Our journey continues to the Blue Mosque, a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. Its 6 minarets pierce the sky, while inside, thousands of blue tiles create an awe-inspiring ambience. The Dolmabahce Palace, with its opulent interiors and stunning Bosphorus views, is a symbol of the grandeur of the Ottoman Empire in its last years. It's a place where history and beauty intertwine in every corner. The Istanbul Archaeology Museum and the Turkish and Islamic Arts Museum showcase the rich history and cultural diversity of Istanbul. These museums house an extensive collection of artifacts, each with its own tale to tell. We then take a stroll through the vibrant streets of Taksim and Beyoğlu and admire the panoramic city views from the Galata Tower. These neighborhoods are the heart and soul of modern Istanbul, brimming with cafes, art galleries, and music. A Bosphorus cruise offers mesmerizing views of Istanbul's skyline, straddling 2 continents. It's an unforgettable journey between Europe and Asia. Lastly, we'll explore the labyrinthine Grand Bazaar and the aromatic Spice Bazaar, where the air is filled with the scent of exotic spices and the chatter of traders and customers. To recap, we've explored Istanbul's most iconic sites, from the Hagia Sophia and Topkapi Palace to the bustling streets of Taksim and the vibrant bazaars. We've delved into the city's rich history, marveled at its architectural wonders, and experienced its vibrant culture. So, that concludes our journey through Istanbul. Be sure to subscribe to the Adventurous Spirit channel and ring that notification bell to stay updated on new videos. If you enjoyed this video, there are plenty more travel experiences and city visits waiting for you. Don't forget to drop a comment below and share your thoughts on this journey. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Please leave your thoughts about our travel experience in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to get our latest videos. Our channel has great travel stories and city expeditions. Check out our other content. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to the next adventure.